Hello everyone, welcome back to your channel. If you're visiting the channel for the very first time, then this is my small introduction. I'm thankful for each and every member because it's just you and only you who is helping me and this channel to grow. I thoroughly enjoy learning and sharing Salesforce knowledge with you. Please keep watching, sharing and motivating others to subscribe to your channel. Let's start with today's topic. So before we start with the day 13, as the title shows, establishing business between accounts. And this is something, reading this title, it seems that, that we are going to discuss very interesting topic today and very interesting, very helpful, very meaningful as well. So before we start, I want to show you something because when I will be explaining you and at that time, I need to get this thing into my Salesforce. Right now it is not. So that's why I want to show you in the object manager, I have tried to search for account and relationship. So nothing is coming as such if I am trying to find out account R. Okay, this is suspense. This will be available now as we will start the topic, as we will start our discussion. So coming back to the topic, today's topic is establishing business between accounts. So let's say before I start with the technical terminologies, technical scenarios. Let's understand in a very layman language. Let's say this is my Tata Motors. Okay. Dealer. Take the name. Tata Motors dealer. Any name you can say. Take it like Motors. Okay. I don't have any business as such, but I'm just trying to take an example to explain you to give you a demo. Now I am working as I have a main dealership and I have few distributors. Okay, and so on. This is the distributor 4, distributor 5, distributor 6. Okay, so being a main dealer, these all distributors will be connected to me, correct? Correct. And let's say I have the requirement, I have the certain requirements coming from these distributors as well. Like for example, distributor one says that I have the demand of certain the car in this much quantity. Distributor two says this much quantity I need, and I need to provide them the cars to sale. Now, because I am the one who is, you can say, on top of the distributors, I require to get the access of their opportunities. What mean? That means that what sort of the, you can say, what sort of the opportunity this distributor have. What all opportunities? What all opportunities this distributor have? What all opportunities these distributors? All the opportunities all these distributors have. I want to know. Correct. And when I want to know, then I need the access of their opportunities. Now, to handle this kind of a situation, to handle such requirement, when we all are, me, my distributors, all are the external users, then we need to understand how to share our records with one account. How to share the records of one account to another account. Correct? Or let me reframe my statement. How to share the records of distributor 1 to Prashant Veer Motors. How to share the opportunities of distributor 2 to Prashant Veer Motors. Now see, understand. First of all, I'm trying to create a picture in your mind of what actually, we are going to do. Then we will see the technicality of the, this session, this class. And before I start more further, there is, I got a few emails where they say that please try to make small videos like 10 or 15 minutes. To all those people, my humble request is, sir, this is something, sir, ma'am, this is something to get the in-depth of every topic, so that you need not to refer any other document or any other research you need not to do after watching my video. So I'm sorry, I won't be able to make the video small, though I started with the separate playlist with the scenario discussion, in which I get the requirement and I show you how directly we can implement without explaining those the scenarios. That is a separate channel, separate playlist I have. Okay, coming back to the topic. So see, now we have understood the requirement. Okay, so our requirement is that the distributor 1, which is the account, I need to share the opportunities of distributor 1 to Prashant Veer Motors, which is in another account. So what I need to do is, for such the requirement, there is the method, the technology within the Salesforce for the external users, that is, share your record using account relationship. Share your record using account relationship. So this is the account relationship is an object which we need to enable. And when in the beginning, when I try to show you that this object is not available as such in the Salesforce org, so this is the reason I will be enabling in front of you and we'll try to show you in front of you that how we can enable it, and what are the the restrictions we have, what are the best practices we have, and how we can use to share the record. Okay, so account relationship, when we say we share your record using account relationship in such scenario, then please understand that this particular, okay, distributor 1, distributor 2, distributor 3, distributor 4, 5, 6, okay, so whichever distributor opportunities you want to share to Prashant Veer Motors account, for that the distributor 1 should be your partner account. In case if it is not enabled as partner account, you have to first enable it, then only you can share it, otherwise you won't be able to share with your Prashant Veer Motors account. Okay, so to share the accounts opportunities, you need to enable that account as partner account. Okay, here we are taking example of distributor 1 data. Okay, now so to whom, I mean to whose the opportunity you have to share, that need to be enabled as partner, and to whom you want to share, it can be your partner account or your customer account. That is something is okay. So that means Prashant can be your partner account or can be your customer account. Prashant Veer. Okay, now let's start. Let me first of all remove this thing. Okay, so go to setup, and from here I will be going to account. Distributor 1 data. Yes. Select selection. Okay, so we have this ready. Now let us check one more thing. Do we have any account with the name data? No, we don't have, so we have to create. Okay, so both things are here. Now let us let us enable it. So I'm enabling it as partner account. Okay, then going to the opportunities. Okay, now same way I'm going to do with my Tata account. Okay, now let us the enable our account relationship object. Now one thing you have to notice is if you will be enabling this account relationship object, then you won't be disable it in future. Therefore, if you are enabling it and you need to disable it in future, you have to contact to Salesforce because they can help you. So let us the enable. And you can see here as well, enable to show account relationship object and associated sharing tool. After you select this, you can't deselect it. That means you can't disable it. So you saved it. And now let's check. See, we have the object here available. Okay, now let us keep it open. Now, because we have to share the distributor one data opportunities to data. So the second step is let's add this object into the page layout. Okay, I'm duplicating this window for the intention to show you something in upcoming few minutes. Okay, so you will see here there is a account relationship, account from, and account relationship to. Okay, and you will search here like this way as well. Okay, add both. Okay, you have added one more. Let it list on the page. Save it. And you can see here. Okay, now what you need to do, After this, you have to start your building a relationship. And how you will be building your relationship, then I'm going to show you now. So I will be going into the setup. In the setup, I have to type account relationship. Let's say if this is not available, okay, then you just need to refresh your the page, because if you have noticed the earlier when I clicked on this account record distributor one data, sorry, distributor one data, these two related list was not available, though I have added. So I just refresh it and it become available. Okay. Same way you have to, if it is not available, then don't worry. Just refresh it and you will see, because you have enabled account relationship through your digital experience. Now you will click on the new. You can give the name of the sharing rule, sharing opportunities with data. Okay. Then developer name you can give sharing opportunities with data. Description same, sharing opportunities of distributor one with Prashant, Veer. Oh, sorry. Keep it like Tata. Okay. Now this thing is account relationship type. So you are making you are deciding the type, what kind of the relationship you have. Let's say, I mean, just for example, that the relationship between me and you is a friend. Okay, that's a kind of the relationship. I mean, we are defining that what kind of relationship we have. Correct. Or you can say that the relationship between me and you are Salesforce lovers, because we both love the Salesforce, and that's why I am uploading the video on the Salesforce and you are watching it. So I will be selecting here as distributor. Let's say these value is not something is not as per your business requirement, and you need the more values to add. Then remember, this is the account relationship is an object, and in the object this is the pick list. Correct. And in the pick list